thought about this recipe. I said, how do I make the recipe that David will enjoy it? I said, I can't make it veggies alone. So I added some bacon. So it's a tomato and bacon tart. This here is puff pastry.
Okay.
I remember once, Marilla, my wife, she tried making it from scratch. And I heard her using a obscene language in the kitchen. So after that, she just bought it to the, so you can get it in the supermarket. You don't need to make it from scratch, and you roll it out. Very simple. You roll it out, and you keep it chilled, right? So nice and chilled, and you have puff pastry there, nice puff pastry that you can get, and then you build on the recipe. So Cheryl, you're gonna cut the tomatoes. So we're gonna basically lay the tomatoes as well as a lovely cheese mixture over this. David, you just relax, son. You didn't drink or anything. You're good.
No,
you're good.
Man,
so what we're doing? This is ricotta cheese, Cheryl. Nice creamy cheese. You want a nice creamy texture. I have 2 eggs, and I'm going to add to the ricotta cheese while Cheryl is working on the tomatoes. Nice.
So add 2 eggs.
2 eggs in, right? 2 eggs. So just about a nice heaping cup and a half of ricotta cheese.
Right.
To that, we're adding some Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese goes in there. And to that, you want to start seasoning it up a little bit. So I have some salt. Oh, the Parmesan cheese already has some salt. Yeah, just about a pinch or so of salt. A little dash of pepper.
Nice.
David.
For a little bite.
A little heat's cayenne.
You know we love
a little heat, some cayenne. A little heat. And then you add, I have some greens, some fresh greens here. I have parsley and I have basil.
Right.
So adding that in there.
Okay.
Get that away from there. And I'm just gonna get all this mixed and combined here.
Okay, so what do we do first?
So I have a spatula. I am going to dump and you spread.
Oh.
I dump, you spread.
Don't say it now. Don't say it like that.
Don't say it like that. and you create a lovely cheese spread. The ricotta cheese, I think, is so ideal for this.
Right.
You can
You need to dump some more.
I need to dump some more. You can experiment with the cheeses here. We use ricotta and Parmesan in this instance, but you can experiment with the cheeses. But just in the ricotta is the perfect base for this, because when it goes in the oven and bakes,
yes, it always.
it gives a nice texture, and it comes out more dump.
And the Parmesan always, that's where you get your flavor.
The flavor. We're thinking of doing so many things with this particular recipe. We decided on tomatoes, but you could also put melon jam. You could put melon jam here. You could say if you're not going, I have some crispy bacon that we just sorted up nicely to just give it a little extra kick. But this could be vegetarian as well.
You could go in all directions.
You good?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I decided, David, that we just sprinkle a little green peppers. Right,
sprinkle peppers.
Yeah, little green peppers.
Right, like
the fun part.
Yes. If you need help pouring that out, you know, I'm willing
I feel if I let you pour this out, they wouldn't have no bacon,
Damn straight.
Bacon lovers.
Bacon lovers. Yeah?
Lovely.
A little bacon, I feel a little too much there.
No, that's good.
And there you have it, you know.
Very simple.
This bakes for just about 10 to 12 minutes at a nice high heat, 400 degrees. 400 degrees. The puff pastry will bubble up nicely, everything will come together. And the trick of TV, while I get this in the oven, I have one.
Well done.
Ready prepared. That looks great.
This
That looks good.
Very nice.
I think we need to take a break. Recipe. Cheryl was very gracious in the kitchen as she rolled out a recipe for her husband as she celebrated Father's Day here.
Can't wait to taste it because I have the other 2 senses wrapped. So
let's waste no more time. Let's waste no more time. I have my slice here, so this is for you guys. Let's.
You know, I'll still be the gentleman and serve my wonderful wife.
You get a darling of a husband.
Yeah, that's how we should put it.
You get a darling of a husband. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy. Let's taste it. Yeah, let's.
I might be doing licensing office tomorrow to change it. Anyway.
Please. Oh, Lord.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Yeah. I must say compliments to the chef.
Compliments to the chef.
Thank you very much.